see if you can come up with a formula for this shape here. This one's quite tricky, so think about it. So here you've got. Remember, we want the formula for the purple area. So this is a circle, and then we're going to cut a smaller circle inside the bigger circle. So press pause and think about it. Okay, so here, remember ages ago, if I gave you something like this, an area of the rectangle, and then we would cut a hole in the middle. So to work out this area here, you would work out the area of the rectangle, and then take away the area of the circle here. Well, the same thing applies here. Work out the area of the full circle. So really, you've got a full circle here. Okay, so work out the area of the full circle, and then you take away this area here. So what's left here is your desired shape. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is work out the area of the full circle, and then take away this area here. So that what's left will be this thing here, the shape here. Okay, so work out. So the area of the big circle is hang on. The area of the big circle is pi b squared. Okay, this term alone will give you the area of the big circle, and then we've got to take away the area of the small circle. Well, we need to know the radius of this thing here, of this small circle here. What is the radius of this small circle? We can't call it another letter like A. We can recycle the B here because you know here this distance is the same as this distance here. Okay, so because because the inner circle is within the radius. It's actually the radius of the big circle. So this distance here is actually B. Okay, because it's perfect. It's exactly halfway. The white circle is actually halfway of the bigger circle. So we know this diameter here is B. Now, if the diameter is B, then halfway must be half B. So we can use B over 2. Okay, half, or we can do this, half B. But when we times a fraction, it gets multiplied to the top. So we can just write as B over 2. So what I'm trying to say is the radius here is B over 2. Okay, so now so the area of the small circle would be pi, the radius pi, so it would be pi over 2 and then squared. Remember, this exists in a bubble because we've got to work out this first and then we square it. Okay, so hang on. So the overall formula for the area of that of this purple part here, okay, will be area of the big circle, which is pi b squared, and then take away pi, and then remember this exists in the bubble because you've got to work out the radius first and then you square it. Okay, so it's like this now. Let's tidy this up. Let's try and work out this bit here. What is this bit here? So find a blank space. B over 2 times B over 2, because that's what it means. B over 2 squared means that. So now a fraction times a fraction. So top times top, which is B squared, over bottom times bottom, which is 4. Okay, so this part here only is B squared over 4. So let's tidy this up. So this one is I'm taking this down. Okay, take away pi times we've just worked this out to be this. So it will be B squared over 4. Okay, and now now this is like one block. It's one block taking away this block here. So let's merge these two. So you got here at the moment you got pi times a fraction. So that gets multiplied to the top. So this would be, the whole thing would be pi b squared take away pi b squared over 4. So at the moment we've got a whole thing taking away a fraction. Okay. Here we've got two blocks. So let's merge them together so it looks neater. So the trick that we normally use, turn this into a fraction. So turn this into a fraction over 1. Okay, anything divided by 1, well, it's just a trick that we use. Anything that we divide by 1 is the same thing. Now is this over 4. So here we've got two fractions. In order to add or take away fractions, the two denominators have to be the same. So times top and bottom by 4 here. Leave this one here alone. Leave it alone. So here it will be 4 pi b squared over 4. This one would be, well, we're keeping it the same. Pi b squared over 4. And now the two denominators are the same. So let's merge them. So this will be 4. This will be 4 pi b squared minus pi b squared. Look at this here. A Liger, 4 Ligers plus, 4 Ligers minus 1 Liger. So here, same entity, same entity. So it's like me saying 4 elephants taking away 1 elephant. So here we've got 4 Ligers take away 1 Liger. So that would be 3 Ligers. Okay, so you've got to put the Liger in here. Okay, would be that. Okay, so because we're taking the 4 down, we are just trying to merge these two together. So merging these two together would give us this top part here, and then you've got a 4. So just take the 4 down. So that's the formula for the area of that shape here. It would be this: 3 pi b squared over 4. Okay, so this is our magical formula here. So even though this shape looks complicated, the formula for this shape is a equals what was it? 3 pi b squared over, I can't remember. Hang on. Over 3 pi b squared over 4. So the formula for this purple shaded part here is given by this. So if you look at this here, pi is just a number. It's just a number, 3.1 blah 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 blah. So if you look at the formula here, all you need to know in order to work out the area of the purple parts is just the b. That's all you need to know. Pi is just a number. You already know pi. So if you know what b is, which is this length here, then you can work out the area of the purple part. You don't actually need another unknown here. You don't need to call this a. You can just recycle the b. Okay.